So we just want to make sure that this contact form is all linked up with our site. So what you want to do then for that is you're going to go to dashboard, and you're going to go down to pirate forms, which is what we installed, remember. So you're just going to click that one for me. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're here is you're going to go to options, and what I want you to do is make sure it should have already pre-filled your email. Whichever email you signed up for, it would have pre-filled it here. So whenever someone uses a contact form, it's going to go to that email. So if for any reason you want to change it to a different one, you can just type it in there and hit save changes. But something I would recommend is changing this default one that they make here to so that the contact, you get a notification, go to that email as well, whatever email you specify, and then just simply hit save changes. All good. So with all that done, next we want to go to this section, how to use, and you'll see a little bit of text here, and what I want you to do is copy that, and we're going to go back to pages, add new. Now you're going to type here contact just like we did last time, and make sure that you select text here, because this is where we put in code, and then you're just going to hit paste, put it in there, and hit publish. Okay, so now that we've done that, it means that our contact form is synced up with our site and also with your specified email. So now that'll be set up for people to be able to contact you.